Once our network and interface has been configured, we will enable DHCP so IP addresses can be assigned dynamically to our guest users. Right now, here is our guest computer, and it currently has no usable IP assigned. Let's do an IP config here, and you will see that listed up here. This has the default Microsoft address. Once we configure DHCP, it will pick up an IP address and it will communicate with the network. So let's go ahead and move this aside. To create a new DHCP scope under the Network tab, we need to go to DHCP right here. And let's go to add a new scope. Now we will define the details of our guest DHCP scope. Starting with the interface, we're going to select the sub interface for the guest network, which is 13.11. We're going to enable ping IP when allocating new IP so we can make sure that it is not in use. For the lease, we're going to specify a particular timeout of 5 days. So that means every 5 days, our guest computers will basically connect back to the firewall to get a new IP address assigned. For the gateway, this will be the default gateway that will be assigned, and it will be the IP that we configured under this sub interface. So that will be 172.17.11.1, and we can specify our DNS wins and other information here. Let's type in the IP for the DNS. Great. Now, the next thing that's important is the IP pools. This will define the range of IPs that will be handed out via DHCP. So we're going to go to add right here, and we're going to add a very small pool, starting with .10 and ending in .19. Great. And once we're done, now we have the option of reserving particular IPs, where we can type in the particular IP and the MAC address that will be assigned to our particular host. In our case, we are finished with the details here. So let's go ahead and click on OK. So now we have that scope listed here with the details that we entered. Let's now commit our changes on our firewall to make them permanent. Okay, that is done. Let's close this window. Going back to our guest computer, let's confirm if a new IP has been assigned. And it has. We now see a new IP assigned from our DHCP pool, which is 11.10. On the firewall, we can view that allocation assigned by going to View Allocation on this page. And you'll see that this is the IP assigned to our guest computer. This is the MAC address of that computer, and even details of the lease time. So very good information for viewing what allocations are handed out.